Welcome to another episode of Building Nodify, and today it's going to be a very interesting day because I have a lot of work to do. So the first thing that I want to do is to complete all the tasks that I was working on the last episode, which is sending out an invite to an employee and also accepting an invite as an employee so that you can join an organization. So that's the first thing that I want to complete. I'm almost done. I just have like a few bugs there and there, and also completing some of the sections on the UI itself, right? And the other thing that I was thinking about is also redesigning my UI. I am not really happy with the look and feel, and I want to redesign my UI when my code base is still small. I don't want to refactor when I have like a lot of components, right? So I want to redesign, give it like flavor so that it can be appealing to users. And I'm also planning to launch my waiting list landing page anytime next week, so I need to plan that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the features that I need for my waiting list landing page. So I'm using GitHub projects to manage my project or to manage my startup. So I'm going to add features that I need in order for me to launch my waiting list a landing page. But I know from the top of my head I need like a free text where you can enter your email address, then then a request to join the waiting list. And the other thing that I need is to have like our pricing list and also all the features that we offer as Nodify. So those are the things that I'm going to focus on today, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this build. So cheers, let's get straight into it. So I just completed working on task number 1, and I thought maybe I should share this with you guys. So the reason why I am launching my waiting list landing page next week is because I want to validate my idea. So I don't want to find myself in a situation where I'm investing time, money, and energy on an idea that will not work. And the only way to find out if my idea will work is to validate it. It's to go out there, identify my potential customers, and ask them if they can use my product, right? And I can achieve that by creating a landing page that will consist of what my product is offering, price list, and many other information about my tech startup, right? And the other way I can validate, or the other way you can validate, or I can validate my app idea or your app idea is conducting surveys. Um, you can do that like using Google Forms. I mean, there are a lot of tools out there you can use to conduct surveys. So yeah, you don't really have to focus on the coding part. I know the coding part is exciting, especially if you are a passionate software engineer or programmer. I know that coding is very exciting, but then building a tech startup is not all about coding. You need to also focus on the business side, which validating your idea is one of those things you need to focus. And when you are validating your idea, you need to have like a crystal clear understanding of what you are building and why. And some of the questions you need to ask yourself is, what problem are you solving and what solution are you offering to solve that problem, right? So yeah, I think that's one of the things I wanted to share with you guys. So let me start working on task number 2. So yeah, let's get straight into it.